as a fighter pilot. We're giving you a reenactment of what might have happened during the Battle of Britain, which of course was being fought at this time of the year in 1940. We have two Messerschmitt aeroplanes in the sky, a number of Spitfires and Hurricanes, and more to depart. We should not forget that this is primarily a Battle of Britain air show. When I was a youngster, there was always a big air show at all the local RAF stations around the 15th of September, nominated Battle of Britain Day. And at this time in the battle, back in 1940, we were at phase 3, 11 Group, that was in the south. 11 Group's aerodromes subject to frequent attack. 11 Group led by Air Vice Marshal Keith Park. Keith Park, New Zealander, whose great leadership led to much of the success of the Battle of Britain defence. The airfields in 11 Group included Tangmere, Kenley, Biggin Hill, West Malling, Detling, Hornchurch, Rochford, North Weald, Manston, East Church, Limp, Hawkinge and Croydon. More aircraft taking off now at Scramble to assist the fight that's going on up above us. About this time, a change in the tactics of the Luftwaffe very nearly brought the Royal Air Force to its knees. A change to the tactics involved bombing of the specific airfields in 11 Group, the southern airfields, and in fact on one day, close to this anniversary in 1940, Shoreham itself was bombed. To give you some idea of how much flying the fighter pilots might do in any one day, one pilot, having lost an engine, having been badly shot up and lost an engine, landed, engine out. He did what's called a dead stick landing at his airfield, brought the aircraft to a halt, severely shocked, was dragged from his aeroplane and put into another Hurricane, and was airborne again about 5 minutes later. And we're talking about young men of about 19 years old. Many pilots were flying multiple missions in one day. All right for us to fly multiple missions in our lovely aeroplanes, but not being fired at the same time. And pilot fatigue became a real problem, let alone morale. In addition to that, ground crews were being used 24 hours a day to repair, to refurbish, to refuel and to re-equip the fighters so that they could get back into the air